I have now given NetSuite Account Center access so that I can set up authorized contacts. Done that. You can go and see those videos. My next step is give access to NetSuite support to assist me on cases. All right? So when I go to Suite Answers and I look at answer ID 88385, it talks there about NetSuite support logging. The authorized staff may occasionally need to access a copy of your account, right? And then it says, important here, the NetSuite authorized staff never accesses live accounts, right? So it's just an internal QA environment. What I can say is that in 99% of cases where I contacted support and needed assistance, they would basically always come back and say the internal QA environment is old and they would have to update that, refresh that before they can help me. So just know there's potentially going to be, most likely going to be, a turnaround time that it's potentially going to be longer than you would have hoped, right? So to get to this option that I'm talking about, the NetSuite support logging, an administrator go set up company NetSuite account information, NetSuite support logging. Okay, so here is the option and I will show you how to get there. We go set up company, scroll all the way down, and just under the billing information that we looked at in the first video, we see the NetSuite support logging, right? And here it is. Now, when you click in NetSuite on field names, for example, in this case, allow login, there should be a field level help, right? So in this case, it's not very descriptive what this is, but this is a very, very important part to remember, is you can click on field names to get field level help. Okay, so the three different options there are, I never want to give NetSuite support access, which is they won't be able to help you, so that's not really, I think, a good option. Always is where I'm going to go because I've worked with NetSuite support a lot and I'm quite comfortable with them. They're not going to touch my live account, so I don't really see any real downside in giving them always versus case duration, right? So I'm just going to go always in my case, right? So I'm going to save, and setting up NetSuite support for logging is as easy as that.